Yeah, hello everyone. Yeah, there's another amazing way you can do your data validation. You can create two sheets. One sheet is where you have a plan, then the other sheet is where you apply your data validation. But I prefer this method, it's a method I use a lot. So here, I would go to this sheet. I want to apply it here. And then this is the other sheet where I have the plan already set in. So under my sex, I want male and female to be appearing. Under my country, I want Cameroon, Nigeria, and Ghana to be appearing. So I'll go here, select, because I want them to be appearing under this cell. Maybe it's a tool I want to send somewhere. I'll just click under there, go to my data, and then I go under data validation. I go to data validation here. I will select my list, okay? And then I would like to put my message, you must enter source. Okay, perfect. I get that. Okay. Now they are telling me before I do that I have to enter the source first. So instead of listing as we did in other videos, here we are going to click this option. It comes up. Remember that my mouse is still indicating there. It is clicked there. I'll come now to the next sheet. You see, and amazing, while I come to the next sheet, you see that this option or this particular tab is still on there, still moving. You see, because Excel recognizes that I'm moving from different sheets. I'll come here now and then I select this. You see, now when I select this, what is happening here is simple. What Excel is telling me here is that I have come to the next sheet, which is equal to sheet 2, which is this sheet, and then it gives me a $sign C $4 colon $C $6. So it is referencing the sheet and then referencing the cells that I'm selecting. Okay, once that is done, remember that I have done something here amazing. I have left a space down here. I'll tell you what this means. Now I'll come back here and then I'll go on now to put my show my input message, right? I might just put a message because I want that to be appearing, right? Message, and then I can go to my under here and I say thanks. Yeah, you might write anything there. Then for the error message, I'll just put hello, and then I just put oops, right? That means that something wrong is happening there. The moment I do that, you see that now I have my two drop down, male and female, and I have a space here. You see there's a space here. I'll tell you what that means. And then here now, if I come here and I put J, you see there's an error. Oops, hello, oops. You see there's an error that is appearing there. Now, one good thing with this method is that I can come back to the next sheet here, you see, and then I add something else and I put boys. Once I add that inside here, it automatically adds up as one of the options here, you see. So I have male, female, boys. Okay, please, you have to learn this. And then here I can still play with my mouse here. It turns to this black cross, and then I share this to other parts of this particular you see, of this particular cell. So you see that we are moving from one sheet to another. We are just referencing those sheets. Okay, and this is a good practice, and you can apply this to other things and other items. So here I could make my plan very long in different sections. Maybe I want to create a table or a tool, and then I do my data validation in this style. Thank you very much for watching, and keep following us for more.